helping you better understand how to make money online with these simple to follow tips. Have you heard people claim to make money online? It's something that everyone wants to do, and it seems like it should be easy. But if you've listened to horror stories, it seems to be hard. The secret to making money online is to follow the right advice, and here is some great advice to make some money. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. The internet can be a place for you to make money, when you know how to. After watching this video, you should be more convinced than ever that you can make a lot of money online. Simply put the tips to work for you, and you'll find the money comes in. Student loan,